Good afternoon, everybody. This is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a video overcap review of the ETFs. Why do we do this? It makes it really simple. In literally a couple of minutes, we have a great understanding of where there is strength in the market, areas to potentially deploy money, and areas to avoid. And you'll see why in just a minute and how it works in relation to stock selection. So here we go. First one is cloud computing. It's below all the moving averages. All right? Cloud computing, be careful with it. Continue onwards. Electric drive vehicles. It's really lagging. I mean, Tesla's a big part of this. It's below all the moving averages. This needs to start showing some strength. Until then, be a little careful. Dow Jones Internet, lagging. Be careful with it. IBD 50, lagging. Picking up a little bit, but not a lot of power here. There's a great investing maxim. The air is better above the 50-day. Okay? Just something to remember. Gold miners, they had an ugly day on Thursday, but they're still hanging in there. They're still hanging in there. Gold, ugly day, still hanging in there, but that's a big bearish engulfing bar. Okay? Be aware of that. Biotechnology. In 1 second, you look at this and say, I ain't looking at any biotech stocks. Good for you. Done. Online retail, lagging. Nothing special there. North American technology, lagging. It's in a downtrend at this point in time. Medicine, picking up a little bit, but still lower lows, nothing really special. Mid-cap, lagging. Home builders, lagging. S&P 500 growth, lagging. Airlines, lagging. Regional banking, picking up a little bit. At least it's over the 50-day. It pushed over the 50-day. Okay, there you go, something there. Biotech, lagging. Mid-cap, lagging. Oil services, hanging in. Look at that. I just showed you a bunch of charts that look crummy, and then all of a sudden this one hits you like a ton of bricks. And guess what? Do you think we've been involved with energy service, oil? Oh yes, we have been, for a while. It led us toward that. Online retail, lagging, nothing there. Infrastructure, nothing special there. Cloud computing, nothing special there. Steel picking up. Look at this. Look at this lift. Started acting good here and it followed through yesterday. Gosh, or today. I wonder if there's any steel stocks that look decent. There you go. There you go. And that is why we look at the ETFs. It really helps us a lot in so many different respects. Just got to point that out. There we go back to steel. Semiconductors lagging, nothing really special. Solar lagging, nothing really special. Small caps lagging, nothing really special. Oil, U.S. oil. Have we been involved with oil for a while? Oh yeah, we own some oil stocks. Yes, we do. Aerospace defense picking up a little bit here. Had a good day here. Gosh, I wonder what's in aerospace and defense. Is there, that had a really good day. Let me see. There's a war going on, and I'm not minimizing what's happening in the Ukraine at all, okay? This is a disaster of what's going on over there, and there's nothing political about that. I don't want anybody dying. Okay, so you got aerospace and defense. Gosh, are there any aerospace and defense stocks? Oh, gee whiz, look at this one. Yes, this was on the key list. See how you connect the dots? It works. It works. There we go. Aerospace and defense again. Biotechnology lagging. Home builders lagging. Materials lagging. Energies. Another energy ETF. Gee whiz, have we been involved with energy? Yes. Financials lagging. Nothing great there. Industrials lagging. Nothing great there. Technologies lagging. Nothing great there. Consumer staples kind of hanging in. Okay, nothing super special. Healthcare's lagging. Consumer discretionary is lagging. Metals and mining. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let me think here. Are we involved with that? Well, I just showed you with with NUE, correct? XRT, nothing. Anyway, in a relatively short period of time, you can see where there's strength and where there's weakness, and it helps us. Now let's get down to the max list. What's going on with these? Here we go. Apple had a big drop and reversed and closed right near its highs for its day on Thursday, and followed through a little today on Friday. Less volume, and again, tons of overhead here. Look at this chart pattern. You say, man, yeah, I don't really see anything. How about this? This is how money is printed. And yes, we owned this. It's simple, okay? Look at this base and look at it now. There we go. Amazon, kind of a double bottom, higher low, following up a little bit today, less volume. It's not really clean and simple. Be aware of that, okay? Alibaba's just dead. BIDU, it's lifting, but they're dead. There's nothing good at this point in time. Don't overthink it. It's just junk, okay? Facebook's starting to pick up, or Meta. There's nothing really clean here at this point in time, all right? You're not going to see, be pragmatic. You're not going to see this pattern in any chart book saying, this is what you look for. You wouldn't hear Bill O'Neill say, well, you see this right here? You see how this is put in? This is what you look for. You won't see that there, okay? And by the way, Bill O'Neill changed my life. I'm grateful to have met him. What a great guy. Here we go. Google, picking up a little bit. Double bottom. Double bottom. Resistance at the 200-day. Ran up a little bit on less volume. Let this maybe form a base or something here. This is aggressive here. Be careful with that. Goldman Sachs is sloppy. Really nothing there. MasterCard is sloppy. There's really nothing there. Microsoft is maybe a double bottom, but it's pretty sloppy. So I don't see anything here. Oh, you say, oh, these things don't do anything? Well, how is this? See this right here? October, right there, October 18th. See that breakout? Yeah, we owned it. That's how money is made. Okay? That's just easy. A thing of beauty. Netflix. Netflix is just sloppy. There's nothing really here. Okay? You say, oh, it's Netflix. It's never any good. Oh, really? How about right here? How about a buy right here? Yeah, I guess that was okay. Yeah, you know, you sold a little bit. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Up into here. From here, we'll say 560 up to, we'll say 660. Oh, I don't know. Without a calculator, I call that 100 points. Yeah, we owned it. There you go. How about now? What's going on now? There's really nothing here. Okay. Nvidia, chopping around, gap down and reversed up. That's a plus. It's a MAXLIST stock. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. Perhaps it'll start going. What's one of the pluses about this one? It pushed over the 200-day. Ask yourself, though, would you see this setup in any chart book saying, this is what you want to look for? No, you're not. But go back here. I talk a lot about the higher low setup. And some of you have seen this before. It drops down. Then it rallies up and it falls. And this low is higher than this low. You get a quiet inside bar. Then you get a lift off through the 50-day right here. And yeah, we bought it there. This was on the key list. That's like a 120-point gain, folks, on a $210 investment. You do the math. There you go. That's what we're looking for. But right now, it's kind of sloppy, isn't it? Just give it time. Give it time. Tesla's just chopping around. Nothing really special here, okay? Twitter, the tweets ain't working. Visa, I guess we should charge more things. Anyway, that is an overview of the MAXLIST stocks. Quite honestly, there's not a lot of great slam dunks in there. But don't get negative on it. A lot of people, this is one of the things I noticed this past week and the last 2 weeks. A lot of people were getting negative on the market. You know, groveling and stuff like that. Well, I'm not going to look at anything. Okay, that's it. You know, it's done for now. Okay, well, that means you don't own that one. Oh, that means you haven't owned that one for a while. Okay, that means, oh, yeah, you didn't own this one. You see where I'm going with this? Okay, that's why we are always looking, always working. Oh, you know, things are bad. There's nothing going on. Yeah, and that means you don't own that one right there. Clean and simple basis that everybody can see. Anyway, I just wanted to go through this overview to give you an understanding of what's going on with the bigger name stocks.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.